Monday, May 22nd, 2017, Wikispeed, Lynnwood, Washington. This is William Newing. Hello. And we tried doing some stuff today. We'll see if we can get it further. We wanted to unmount car number 7 rear suspension and then bolt on the version 30 rear suspension of the newer ones. So we were so close. Here's what we did. We talked off the right side, didn't want to mess with the left yet, as we know. We want to iterate and ship as best as possible. So if we have one year suspension, that's fine. But right now we don't even have it bolted. As you can tell, the axle is not going to be able to reach our hub, our rotor end hub, and to be able to spin that. So that's a block. However, what we did accomplish, not only finding that block, is that we were able to drill out a couple of these holes with a unibit knockout bolt to drill 4 of these holes. So there's another one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the respective 2 more on the bottom, so that these recep bolts on the back can actually fit on. And we used actually that plate from the other side of the suspension to use as a template, so we can punch out and drill those holes precisely. And that worked really, really well. That was good, a good foresight, good planning. Thank you, Gunnar. And now we also moved the suspension, which was originally here in the front, as you can tell, moved it back to the middle, so it's a lot more centered. Otherwise, the axle was actually going to reach, since it would be hitting one of the belt housing wheels, or belt housings and pulleys. So we moved it back a little bit. Now, because of that, we're also anticipating that even if we get either short enough of 2 plates that will have CAD drawn and put up, or get a longer axle. Longer axle may work, but that could be a little bit more intensive. So we'll have to draw that out and see what that looks like. Either it's going to be a longer axle or a shorter upper and lower A-arm plates. If it's a shorter lower A-arm plates, then we run into the problem of the wheels hitting the rear bumper beam, and we'll have to make a crush portion in the back, which is doable. However, if we do, then we'll be lengthening the car body itself, so our shells may not fit. So that's something to be considering of. Another portion is that when we're adjusting the wheel and the wheelbase of this to be forward or back, then our bodies and also the wheels may not fit also. So I know right now the wide slick wheels will not fit on here for it to fit. However, for testing purposes, it may fit. But right now, to get this thing road legal, so assuming that we're not going to test out the slicks just to put regular wheels on, it will actually hit the rear bumper beam. So we'll have to think of something. And that is our current block. Recommendations: pairing. Pairing speeds things up, gets a different perspective other than your own, and that is what we can hope for. And we could always use more collaboration up to a certain parameter, but that is besides the point. So thank you very much, and that is it. Tune in next time.